I'm Angela Pauline, first year BS Criminology from M001, Binangonan Campus. This presentation will discuss the three main branches of criminology and how each helps us understand crime from different points of view. Branches of criminology: criminal sociology, criminal psychology, and penology. Criminology is the study of crime, criminals, and how society responds to crime. It helps us understand why crimes happen and how to prevent them. Criminology has several important branches. Criminology doesn't just study criminals, it studies causes, behavior, and justice system. It helps build a safer and more peaceful society. Criminology is divided into three main areas: criminal sociology, criminal psychology, and penology. Each branch focuses on different aspects of crime, and these three branches work together. Criminal sociology studies how society and environment affect crime and behavior, focuses on property, peer pressure, family, and surroundings, looks at how social problems can lead to criminal acts. Criminal sociology shows how people's surroundings can push them toward crime. For example, a person who grows up in a poor community joins a gang or steals to survive, showing how social conditions can lead to crime. Importance of criminal sociology: helps find social causes of crime, encourage community programs to reduce crime, promote social awareness and better policies. By understanding the social side of crime, we can create programs for jobs, education, and support solving problems before they lead to crime. Criminal psychology studies the mind, thoughts, and emotions of criminals, tries to explain why people commit crimes, looks at mental health, emotions, and motives. Criminal psychology focuses on what's happening inside a person's mind before, during, and after a crime. For example, a person commits assault out of anger or emotional stress, showing how people's mental state can cause crime. Importance of criminal psychology: helps in profiling suspects and finding motives, useful in rehabilitation and counseling of offenders, support investigation and court cases. By studying the criminal's mindset, psychologists can help prevent future crimes and support the justice system in understanding behavior. Penology, the study of punishment and correction of criminals, includes prison probation, parole, and rehabilitation, focuses on how offenders can change and improve. Penology studies what happens after someone is convicted, how prison and rehabilitation center help them change. For example, an inmate joins livelihood or moral recovery program in jail to prepare for a better life after release. Importance of penology: aims to reform offenders, not just punish them, promotes fair and humane treatment in prison, focuses on rehabilitation and reintegration into society. Penology believes in second chances, that people can learn from mistakes. The three branches work together to understand and control crime. Together, they help make society safer and more just. Each branch gives us a different view of crime, society, the mind, and the justice system. When combined, they make criminology to complete study of crime and how to stop it.